I'm Pete and you're watching Ford Fabrications. Today I'm sorting out the camber on the front of this clapped out Capri. So this is what I'm dealing with. My strut towers have had massive slots made in them. It actually almost looks like it weakens the structure a little bit, so I've been keeping a close eye on it for any cracking. No cracks though, so what I'm going to do is just for now back this off. I think I had too much camber on the front of the car, and I'll put up a photo of what it looked like just going around a corner, and I think it's just the difference between the front and rear camber is too great, because the back's pretty much got none, and I've probably got maybe, I feel like I've got over 4 degrees. I can't actually measure it accurately because I'm just sitting on an uneven garage floor, and the only thing I could really do it with my cell phone, and I don't really trust that. So what I'm going to do is just actually do it by measurement. I'm going to put a straight edge up the side of the tower here, and then just measure to the center point, and I'll set both sides the same for now. And I think I'm going to set it roughly to where this mark is here, because I think that's where we got it to at the practice race down in Timaru. And I feel like when we had it practicing down at Timaru, it was actually handling better than what I had it handling at Pukekohe. But the other change was I was running the old 15-inch wheels in Nitto NTO1s, so you know, maybe the tyres have got something to do with it as well. But I do want to try and tweak this and just back it off and see if that helps things, so let's do that now. That backed off probably a good 10 millimeters back from where it was sitting. So let's tighten that up. I'd call that 68 millimeters. So I'm going to set the other side exactly the same. Once I get the car dialed on a bit better, I might set one side one way and the other side the other way, but for now I'm just going to set both sides the same. Measure this, see where we're at. One coil in the way just to make things even more interesting. You know what? That's pretty bloody close already. Maybe I should back it off a little more. Just taking a different measurement to see what that is off the edge of the guard, and that's 71 millimeters on this side. Maybe 72 millimeters on this side. Let's set it to 70 just because it's a round number, and it's a number I'll probably remember. It should get both these sides within 30 of each other. Okay. Let me set this other side. Okay, so there's my camber adjustment. Let's put it back down on the ground, put some light on it and see if it looks any different. Here's the car back on the ground. A little hard to see, eh? Am I holding the camera like this or like this?
Oh well.
So that's it for this one, just doing some tweaks to the front end. Just pulled a little bit out of the camber, I think it was a little too much. I don't know exactly what I've got in terms of degrees, and I'm still too tight to take it down for a wheel alignment until I get it closer to how I like it on the track, and then I think I might take it in and actually get everything aligned 100%. But for now, I'm just doing those really large checks to get it feeling at least close on the track is the main thing I want to achieve. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Got lots of other episodes coming up with interesting stuff, a bit more fabrication work. So yeah, subscribe if you're interested in seeing any of that. Cheers.